His name is Blair. I've heard all about him. What is expert on the course? And you know what? Well, I hope it's the best. Better than all the rest. But what? Happy birthday, Blair. Happy birthday. Don't you have a damn nickname? Silly. I got rid of all that crazy testing. That you are now official CPA. Is that right, sweetheart?
Oh, yes.
Well, I finished
when he
the
passes
test
it.
results, right?
Yep.
He passed, right? There's just
As
a
soon
few
as
more
he
things in here. Oh, you know what? I did, but your game's been down a little bit lately. Is that correct? How are you shooting?
That's been a good game.
Since when? What's she going to buy with it? Hillary, honey, what are you going to get with that?
I don't even know.
Well, I think that you guys need to go on another long before you got the bonus and almost blew the whole deal. She's been saving it. I'm sorry, I just had a few cards right here. Let me just pass you up for you. La 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 la. What do you think of my cards, baby?
Leave us to your door.
Oh.